Alright guys, I'm going to introduce our special guest today. We have Matt Simmons here. He won a contest with us at Bama Frogs, and we flew him in from Oswego, Illinois. And there on the left we have Liz, and on the right his girlfriend Teagan. And Matt and Teagan are a lot like Liz and I in the fact that, for one, she always catches bigger bass than him. His biggest bass is 5 pounds 1 ounce. Hers is 5'8". So that's one of the things we're going to be trying to do out here. We flew them into Bama to get on some of these big bass, and then we're also going to have a girls versus guys contest. So Liz, we going for numbers or weight?
Let's go for numbers today.
Going for numbers today. And Matt here is the president of the Bradley bass fishing team. So there's a little plug for Bradley. Hope you guys do good this year. And he's also an engineer just like me, so we have a lot in common. 2 girls, 2 guys out here. We're gonna battle it out here in Bama, searching for those big bass. So here we go. We're about to kick it off. Girls, don't embarrass us, please.
It's on.
Don't embarrass us.
I'm bored. I can get. There's my lizard.
Nice one.
Pretty fish.
Yeah.
I thought that was a fish. Oh, he did. Little guy. That one was a strange bite. Like it felt like it was a limb, but I could feel it moving a little bit.
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me. Jeez. Come back. Their heads are so small compared to their bodies.
Those are like what we catch.
I can't help it. And they just drove right over that spot.
Got him. What we got here? Smaller one?
Yeah.
It's like he just gave up, didn't he? He just quit on you. He's like, I'm gonna swim for a minute. Buck bass. Now he saved it up. I can see where bed was, right up under that tree there, all the way up in there on the bank. See if anybody's home. Got her. Oh, yes sir. That's a good one. We caught it too. Saw the bed. Pull her on around this way. I'll help her get her on the boat. Looks like a good 5-pounder. Hit rod tip down there. There you go. Perfect. Come on. Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Man, she's a little beat up. You can tell where she's been spawning a little.
Wow.
There you go. You got her?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. Look at that. She's got a pretty yellow color to her. Got a little bit beat up. So what's your PB? 5'1"?
5'1".
5'1". All right, let's put her on the scale. Five.
Ooh.
5, 3, 1. There you got it. Heck yeah. New PB.
Dang.
All right, new personal best right there. Didn't take long. First thing this morning. He got it, 5'3". I'm gonna go ahead and let her go. She's gonna swim probably right back over there to that bed. I don't know if you can see the bed, but it's right there up under that tree. And I spotted it right before he cast in there. She came up and got it. Hey, good job, buddy.
Thank you.
That's that bed. He pulled her off right there. She was sitting right up under that tree. Got her with a little soft plastic lizard with no weight on it. Magnum lizard. Got him? Yep. There you go. Nice. The lizard strikes again. Oh yeah, that's a little chunky one. I don't know if that one spawned yet or not. Man, look at the belly on that thing. Wow, dude.
Little chunk.
That is a female. They have not spawned out here. Heck yeah. I'm gonna put the power poles down. Alrighty. So chunky. Good job, dude. Got him that time. There you go. Second time around's a charm. He just had that fish bite his tail off. Can you flip him in or you need me to grab him? Okay.
Man,
They fight hard, don't they? Nice one. Hold him up here. Let's see what you got. Another 1.5-pounder. That gives us 4 total. Guys, I'm a little embarrassed to say right now, here we are at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I have not caught a fish. Matt's pulling all the weight. Count is 4 to 5. Girls are winning. They wanted to go quantity over quality. So they got the lead on us at the moment. 5 fish to our 4. Even though Matt's got the size. So playing a numbers game, we'll take the dinks. Good job. 2 in a row. He is on them now. 2 casts in a row, back to back. We're on a little bitty school here. We got a creek channel that flows right out here, and he's loading the boat. Get him in. That's number 5. Yes, sir. Back to back. That's all right. You can let that lizard go. That's fine. That's a little bit healthier there. 2-pounder. Upgrading.
tied now.
Yep, tied up 5 to 5. Look at the girls. Because if you can see where my rod tip's pointing, that's them. They just watched them get tied up. 5 to 5. Here you go, give me some. Now we're looking for number 6 to take the lead. Alright guys, gonna give you a midday report on how things are going. So it's that time of year where you can catch them out deep or you can catch them shallow. We've been fishing right here. The last 2 he caught were 12 feet deep. Liz and them are fishing in about 6 to 7 feet deep over there. The main lure that we've been using and the only thing we've been able to get bites on all day is a Magnum lizard, the chartreuse tail, and we've been swapping it out between a 3/16 ounce weight and no weight. And when we get up shallow, the trick is you want to fish that shallow water early in the morning and late in the afternoon, and then move out deep in the midday. So Matt's been doing a good job here of getting on them. We're gonna now abandon, we got about 2 hours of daylight left, so we're gonna abandon the deep water bite and move back in the shallow, and hopefully we'll get another big spawn and female like he did earlier this morning. Stay tuned.
Yeah, what? Yeah, he's on there.
Bumpy.
Yeah.
I'll take it. Oop, hold on.
First one for the day.
There we go. My sister and I went for a bike ride, and it's along the river.
Mm-hmm.
It's called the Fox River. And, oh wait.
Ooh. Here, I'll get him.
All right.
Ooh, that's a good one. There you go.
Thank you. All right.
Let him go. Nice.
All right. Thank you.
But like there was one spot where you had to get off of the train because something was broken down, or like they were working on an area of it. Oh, that's a good one.
Good one.
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
Sit down. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, the sun is going down. We just got an update from the girls. They are ahead 8 and we have 5. I have gotten skunked today, but I will gladly take a skunk on a day where my partner catches his PB. So congrats on that, man. I'm still going to claim the assist on that because I helped you spot the bed that you caught it off of, so that's teamwork. Alright girls, what's your count? 8?
For the day?
Yeah.
8, yeah.
For the day?
Yeah.
8, yeah.
I got 8, we got 5.
9.
What'd you say that count was? No, I thought we were ending the day there.
No, that's still counting. My line was in the water.
Liz just sitting there rubbing it in our face. She's hooking one as we're trying to go in and just put our minds at rest and chalk it up as a loss. She's just rubbing it in now. All right, they have 9 fish. I've yet to even grip a bass today, except for lipping his. So it's been a rough day for me, so I got to come back strong tomorrow. So do y'all want to end today and say y'all got a victory, or do you want to roll today's count over till tomorrow? Y'all just want to take your W for today? And we'll do another fish off tomorrow, and then if we have to, we'll do a tiebreaker on Sunday? That work? All right. All right, so y'all got the win today. We may do something different tomorrow. We'll see. We'll decide tonight. Oh. It started pulling on hard, and it just let it go like a little dingster. I thought it was going to be a good one. Here he is. Good one. Got it. Yes, sir. Nice one. Probably a little male or something hit it first. Could have been this one. Come on around here, buddy. All right. No skunk for me today. We will take it. Don't know if there's going to be enough light for YouTube to see this one, but no skunk for me. We still lost though. Alright guys, second morning, day 2. We're out here. Girls won the first day. We're going for biggest bass today. So, change the rules up a little bit. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Alright. Don't beat us too bad. Oh, dude, I got one. Dude, first cast in over here. That's a good fish, too. I don't know how big. No, he's not that big. Thought the way he was pulling drag, I just had my drag set really loose. Hey, we might be onto something here. First cast out in the open. How'd you pull so much drag, little fish? Don't throw my weight. Oh, he spit a shad up. You see that? Alright guys, that makes number 2 for us. So far, the girls have none.
Stevens. Oh, there's one. Jeez, come on now.
Here he is. He's definitely got it. I'm gonna give him just a second. Little guy. Took him 3 times of biting it. Finally get it. Look at that sore on him. Jeez. Alrighty.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a good one. Man, he's strong. I don't even have him hooked good.
Oh, that's a nice one.
He's a fighter.
Got him. Nice. Finally hooked up with one, even though it's a small one. We'll take it. Only had one hold on to it. He's a little squirt. He stole your lizard too. Let's see it here. Little buck bass. We'll take it.
Doesn't have any of those marks.
Yeah, no marks. Alright guys, we're going to finish up here today, and of course the girls beat us again for the second time. They beat us on numbers yesterday and on size today. That's a tough bunch of girls right there. But Matt and Teagan, we really enjoyed it. Hope y'all enjoyed your time here in Bama. Glad you caught some big fish. Wish y'all the best of luck with your muskie adventures. Y'all go check out his page. I'm going to leave a link to his Instagram page below where they go on these muskie adventures and fish all day to catch one fish. And they taught us a lot about it. So a couple things. It's been tough fishing out here, and a lot of the fish that we have caught have had these red sores on them. So if any of you guys out there know what causes something like this, we also caught a mussel today, and when we pulled it up, it had a lot of like little worms or parasite looking things on it. So if any of you guys know anything about that, or comment down below and let us know what it may be. And then the last thing before we leave is we're going to be hosting some more contests at Bama Frogs, so leave a comment saying what type of contest you would like to join. That way maybe it'll be you out here with us next. So everybody hit that thumbs up for Matt catching his PB here in Bama, and guys, we enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.